something brand new. So what started the pirate conversation at the beginning of PM Style? Well, it was the anchors. We were just saying anchors away, and we were also ready for summer, and whether you do the whole boat or don't do the boat, because I don't own one, but I just love feeling nautical in summer in general, especially when I get to be at the beach, my favorite place, with my family. And I don't know how close we can get to Blair, but this is not your average anchor and average sweatshirt. This is covered. Blair, maybe the word encrusted is a good word to describe this. It is encrusted in gems thanks to Quacker Factory. So to be able to get a great sweatshirt for $54 with the anchor design, let alone covered in crystals, I mean, this is a wow moment. And we have it on Easy Pay, $18 with a $5 discount. Here it is in dark navy. And in a minute, if you do want to create an outfit for spring and summer, I do have a matching crop pant that will also have an anchor on one of the legs. I have your white option right here. And just to make sure you know, it doesn't matter what color you choose, you will always get the white clear crystal. So we're not playing with color on the anchor, we're just playing with color in the sweatshirt. And then this one right here, lipstick red. How funny. We have two lipstick reds in the show. And lipstick red really defines like classic, patriotic, all-American red. I think it's Blair's fault, but this is already getting limited. We all like the red option. So let me bring out Angel Smedley. And even though I'm a day ahead, Angel, yes, can I be the first to say, happy National Quacker Day?
You may, my friend. Thank you. Hi, everybody.
I mean, that's what starts at midnight, correct?
Well, no, not at midnight. We're on at 2 to 3 a.m. tomorrow, 2 to 4 p.m.
No, I meant the day itself.
Oh, the day itself, yes.
Tomorrow.
I didn't want people to think we have a TV special value.
Yes, at QVC midnight probably means something different. Yes. So I should have rephrased that. But tomorrow is the official Quacker Day.
It's the 30th anniversary of Jean Bice's first appearance here on QVC.
Oh my goodness.
Back in 1995 on the QVC 50 and 50 tour. And the fun part is all of her fun motifs that she created, 30 years ago, we're still doing them today, but making them fun and relevant and classic. And that's where the nautical comes in.
Well, this anchor is fierce, but let's tell everybody what they're wearing first, and then I'll let them capture all the crystals and the bling.
Sure.
Because this is French
It's French terry.
So we love French terry around here.
We do.
We should be called French Terry VC.
Oh, I like it. FTC. I don't know. Somebody might think that's something else, so let's not go there. But this is our 95% cotton, 5% spandex. So it has a nice beefy feel to it, but it is not thick, beefy sweatshirt weight.
Okay, so we won't get hot, we won't be miserable if this is what we decide to wear on a beautiful spring day.
Right, this is more of the shaping with that crew neck, with the cuffs at the end of the sleeves, with that band at the bottom.
Hey, do you mind if we talk about this near Blair? Because you're already going into fit, and I figure, well, why not just show it on everybody? Okay, so you're saying
excuse me, pardon me, excuse me. There we go.
So not tight, not fitted.
Exactly, not tight, not fitted. Now for me, a sweatshirt like this, I want roomy, so I personally would go up a size.
Okay, what are you wearing tonight? You look great.
This is the 1X.
Okay,
but I would go up to a 2. I'm 5'8".
Okay.
Typically, I wear a 1X in a t-shirt, but for sweatshirts,
you like wearing the 2X.
I like a 2X.
It's funny you say that because I like to size up too, a lot more in sweatshirts. With t-shirts, I'll stick with my regular size, but the over pinning, that over top layer, I do size up as well.
Yes.
Blair, what are you wearing?
Extra small.
Okay, extra small, and she's 5'7", and Blair went with her regular traditional QVC size.
Yes, absolutely. So, long sleeves, great fit. Are we cruising? Do you like to spend time by the water?
Yes, please.
This is that you throw on.
Do you like to look like the season? Like even when I'm not at the water, like imagine a beautiful May day and you've got errands to do. Even if you're not by water, the anchor, it's just fun. And zoom in, pick a chest, it doesn't matter. We're gonna look at Blair. Angel.
Yeah.
I mean, a good sweatshirt costs $54.
It's true.
So now we've added the anchor and covered it, and our price is still just right.
It's amazing. So you have the anchor, you have the ship's rope, you also have a ship's wheel, because sometimes we need a little guidance in our life.
All the time I need a little guidance in my life.
Well, and I always say that women are the anchors of our family, like we keep it all together.
Yeah, ask Steve.
So
definitely the anchor.
Sometimes we need to remind ourselves.
Yeah, we got in a fight this morning. We're okay now. But this anchor was a little upset.
It happens. It happens. You know,
Thank
y'all
you.
know. We're not hiding anything.
Right? We're not. We're
Right.
not. I think it's normal. It's how you
Yes.
make up.
Yes.
It's how you say you're sorry and I love you, right? That matters.
Absolutely. But nautical has been a huge theme in our brand from the beginning, pretty much. And so I was super excited that we were able to bring this tonight because it is that bridge season between
Yes.
the holidays and spring. And a lot of us do
The vacations.
take vacations.
Do you want
so
a friend
this is
to
perfect.
go with you? I'm for hire. Plus, I always say this. I'm the girl who would rather be cold in February in her spring looks than still keep wearing all my fall winter pieces. Like
Yeah.
just about now, I start to get over it.
You want something
I
fresh?
really do. Mhm.
You want something fresh?
You want to join
and
me
new?
over here? And then
Sure.
Blair, do you have the pants on? So we'll come right back to you.
Okay.
But here's your color choices. White, navy, and then lipstick red. I'm just gonna scoop these up and I'm gonna bring the pant forward and the sweatshirt
Let me help
to the
you.
back. Thank you, thank you.
We're a good team.
And we can make a whole outfit. So here's how the pants are working today. Still only order of the year, still a sale price, so these are $53 instead of $58. Easy pays about $18. The difference with our pants is I am gonna have two options.